That sleek leather tote dancing across your screen with its sophisticated gold hardware and effortless British charm is a complete fabrication. You see the ad while scrolling through your feed, and the branding looks flawless. It shouts London luxury from every pixel. The name Marbury London sounds like it belongs on a high-end street surrounded by history and cobblestones, but the truth is far more clinical and disappointing. This is not a heritage boutique. It is a calculated digital storefront designed to part you from your cash with the promise of a dream discount. When you see a high-end bag marked down 70%, your brain wants to believe you found a secret treasure. The reality is that these items are coming from overseas warehouses in regions like the Netherlands or Asia. There is no boutique in England. There is no artisan workshop. The word London is just a psychological anchor used to make you feel safe while you type in your credit card details. People who have actually clicked by and waited for that package report. A very different experience than the one in the glossy videos. They open the box and instead of the smell of rich leather, they are hit with a sharp chemical plastic stench. It is the kind of smell that fills a room and tells you immediately that you have been had. The stitching is frayed. The material is thin. Those structured orthopedic shoes arrive looking like cheap foam. Those elegant summer dresses feel like tissue paper that might dissolve in the rain. This is a classic bait and switch. The company uses stolen imagery from real designers to lure you in. Then they ship the cheapest possible version from a factory halfway around the world. The trap really snaps shut when you try to get your money back. You email their support team and they tell you that you are welcome to a refund. However, you have to ship the items back to their international warehouse at your own expense. If you live in the UK or the States, the shipping cost often exceeds the price of the item itself. They know this. They count on the fact that you will just dib up and walk away. It is a high-volume game of attrition where the house always wins. You can spot these predators if you know where to look. Check the comments section on their social media ads. If the comments are turned off or hidden, that is a massive red flag. They are silencing the voices of angry customers who are trying to warn you. Look for a physical address or a registered company number on their site. If all you find is a generic contact form, run the other way. Real luxury brands do not hide behind digital curtains. They are proud of their locations and their history. Genuine leather does not cost $50 when it is crafted with care. Do not let a well-edited video and a fancy font trick you into thinking you are getting a deal of a lifetime. If the price feels like a dream, it is usually because the product is a nightmare. These operators are betting on your desire for status and your love for a bargain. They use your own curiosity against you. Protect your bank account and stick to retailers you actually know. Your closet will thank you and your wallet will stay heavy. We have to look out for each other in this wild digital marketplace. If you see something that looks too good to be true, it is because it is. Do not become another statistic in their ledger of successful deceptions. Stay skeptical and stay informed.